me I read it. Me I cherish my life cause me need it. Me achieving goals, yeah me dream it. The future me I say, me I steal it. Contribution to uplift this nation, so me could do it in more ways than one. And it must include cultural expression. I, clinical, surgical, like a natural scientist, dissecting issues. And now, this, I am not aligned, but beyond the headlines, covering the news in prime time. This is creative activism, right time. You know what? Give me the mic, call sharp. Tell them we're going direct, impacting from all angles, because with Randy McLaren, your issues never die. Your issues live. Your issues over Jamaica. Blessings and good morning. All right.